Good evening. This is the first in a possibly endless series of lectures called Ben Tries to Patch Things Up Together Very Simply Whilst Very Pissed. But pay attention, because when you're very pissed, this may save your life or something. But what we're dealing with here tonight is this top quality pair of sunglasses, which my former work colleague John assured me were genuine Armani, that he didn't buy from a Spanish bodega for a matter of pounds. Having looked at them, I've turned out he maybe did buy them from a Spanish bodega for a matter of pounds, because they just formed pieces like the piece of crap they are. But we have a very simple repair technique here, children, so pay attention. Listen to your Uncle Ben here. What we have is the black tape, and this is a magical stuff that can repair literally anything. And if you observe, we find the end of it. If you find the fucking end, even with glasses, seem to have disappeared, bastard. But yeah, we get the cunting thing. Yeah, what we do is we pick away at the reel of tape like this, and we cut off the bit that we fucked up, like that. It's all bloody stuck together as well. And what we do is we get the... Actually, it doesn't go. Oh, yeah, we get the two bits that are broken on this, and there's supposed to be a hinge there, but as you can see, where the hell's the bloody lens on this thing anyway? I'm holding it up there. There's a clear pin that's supposed to go through some sort of plastic mark. Can't be fucked to describe it, but it's all broken to pieces anyway. What we need to do here is try and clip it. What we do is we get a little bit of this, and this is magic. We just need a small bit. This is a crucial bit. Junk. Just a little bit. Do that with the scissors. We just cut a little. We cut a little bit off. Thusly. Shit. Fucking floor. Anyway. Then we hold the relevant spigot against the relevant pivot point A. How Christ is that supposed to go together? Where that? Yeah, we put that back like that. And you can't see what I'm doing because I'm holding against my leg, but you basically slap the tape box. It would be something so simple, be so fucking difficult. Is that even the right way up? Basically, you should doink the tape around it like that, which holds it in place. Children, do you see how the stupid fallen off bit is now held in place? And we carefully place this on the work table, which is not a computer top, but a work table. And we peel off a bit more of this, making sure to get it the right way round. A little bit, because what we need to do is to wrap it very carefully around the device. If you observe this pen, if you try and wrap something around whilst pulling on it, you pull it all out of shape. So what you need to do is pull some tape off, allowing you to have some slack to wind carefully, thusly, as if bandaging a limb. Now I'm using up all my tape, and I've got tape all over my pen, but we'll surgically detach it again, thusly. Anyway, as I say, pull a certain amount of black tape. Let's do it that way around. Tape is normally very easy to cut, but sometimes you may strip it on these, as I'm doing now. And we cut off the required amount. And then, if you observe, you best keep the inside of the wrap so you can then cover it over. As I say, having loose tape, you can put it quite tightly without putting too much pressure on the thing that you're doing the thing to. Et voilà! Le glace is noir, c'est fini. Avec le jambe à gauche, très bendy, et maintenant, comme d'habitude, ne regardez pas un cheval cadeau dans la bouche, n'est-ce pas? Yes, it was me behind the glasses all along. That is how you repair the glasses avec the verre sans whiskey, which I shall gonna rectify. Because it gets me très agitated, le pas de whisky. So, au revoir mon ami, très bien.